The United States District Court has dismissed Stormy Daniels' defamation lawsuit against the president and ordered her to pay his attorney's fees. The court's order constitutes total victory for the president and total defeat for Stormy Daniels in this case. The court heard oral argument today on the amount of fees to be awarded and will issue a ruling in the future. Thank you.
Nancy.
It is not the main case. The main case is the NDA case. It's the case that was filed first. It's the case that's going to be heard again in January. It's the case that my client's been kicking butt in. It's the case where Michael Cohen and Donald Trump are constantly retreating in connection with that case because they don't want the truth to come out, and misinformation largely as a result of Donald Trump's. So this whole thing about this big attorney's fees issue today, it's a bunch of nonsense. It's a joke. It's an absolute joke. This matter is about the NDA case. That's where it's all about. That's what the press largely has been about, and rightfully so, because that's the case that we have alleged that Donald Trump, together with Michael Cohen, conspired to commit federal crimes against the American people. And we're halfway home to proving that. These guys are putting their tail between their legs and they're scampering and begging to get out from underneath that case because they know exactly what's going to happen. Time and time again, they went on national television. They lied to the American people. Michael Cohen said that the president never knew anything about this $130,000 payment. The president of the United States stood on Air Force One and said that he didn't know anything about the $130,000 payment. We now know that that was an absolute lie. These two men lied repeatedly about that, and we're going to prove it. And now Michael Cohen's had to plead guilty to it, and he is going to come even more clean than he has because we're going to put him under oath, and we're going to find out what Donald Trump knew and when he knew it and what he did about it. But don't talk to me about these attorney's fees and costs in this case because, I mean, it's not even a pimple in the grand scheme of things compared to what these guys are going to have to pay my client. It's an absolute joke.